Alrighty, welcome back, and as promised, here is the web scraper tutorial. So what you're going to do is you're just going to create a new application. I'm going to call it web scraper, scraper, same difference. And we're just going to hit create. Okay, and first thing that we're going to do is in here we are going to search for a button. And we're just going to change the text of it to say scrap. Sure. Scrape. Scrape would be with an E, I think. Anyways, btn scrap. And then we are going to do a what is it? We need text box. That's what it's called. So we're gonna drag in a text box. We're gonna right click it, or not right click it. Sorry. We're gonna click here. We'll do multi-line, and then we'll just drag it down so it shows over the whole thing. And we are going to change the name of this to txt output. And yeah. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to double click on this form. And what this will do is this will pull up the form for it. And underneath this, what we're going to do, actually, at the top of this, what you should do and what you want to do is do 2 of the apostrophes and author. Two more and do, sorry, date. And a description. This is just for personal reasons and working on the app. Yeah, you guys can fill that stuff in. You don't have to do it, but I highly suggest doing it. But double click on the btn scrape from this form over here, and what this will do is this will create the function of when you click on the button. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go down, we're going to go public. Actually, we can make this one private. Private. That's not how you private. There we go. Private sub scraper. And then enter, and it'll automatically put in the end sub. And here, what we're going to do is we're going to go dim strurl as string equals, and this will be the URL that we are going to. I'm also going to increase the size, so because I got a comment on one of my videos and I was looking at it and it was still kind of hard to see the text, so hopefully this will be much better. This URL here, if we open up a web browser and let's go to, where do we want to go? Let's go Minecraft.net, because why not? English, because apparently my Minecraft always takes me to the Japanese version. But yeah, so this is the URL that we're going to be going to, and then if we go under it and we go dim str output as string, and we just set it to nothing right now, this will just give us an empty string, which is what we want because we're going to fill it with the output from the web scraper. And then what we're going to do after that is we have to create the web response and the web request. So the web request is us sending a request to Minecraft, to whatever link it is, to pull the website, and then the response is the response of us getting the website. So we're going to go dim wr response as web response, and we're going to have to import, or we have to use the import system.net at the very top. So we have that one, and then we're going to go dim wr request as web request equals http web request dot create, and inside of these brackets we are going to go strurl. So that should be that. Perfect. And then what we're going to do is right below that we need to create the requests and the response. So we're going to do wr response equals wr request dot get response. And so this will get the response of our request, and then thus we can use a stream reader to read it out to us. And that's pretty much it. Like, it's not that hard. It gets a little bit more complicated when you want more specific things. So let's just finish this up really quickly, and we'll go using sr as new stream reader. And in here we're going to do wr response dot get response stream, and we'll close off the end using. We also have to import the system's IO so that we can use the stream reader, and that's also to import the stream writer as well. So if we were to write to the website, which we also can't do, but like change the text and stuff, or if we had a file, we can change the text of the file as well. So we could save this to a file if we really wanted to, but we won't focus on that right now. What we're going to go is str output equals sr dot read line. Oh, sorry, not read line. We want it to read to, and then we're going to close it. And it's good, like, you don't have to close the stream writers or readers, but it is good practice so that you don't mess things up. But yeah, always get into the habit of closing it after you're done reading it or writing to it. And now all we have to do is we just have to take the name of this, which was txt output. So txt output dot text equals str output. And so this will set the text of this text box in here to the string that we are setting in here. So it'll read all of it, read the web page, and it'll read all the way to the end, and then it'll set that, what it read, to the string output, and then we're just displaying it so that you guys can see. And so if we run this, just let it build, wait for it to load. This is the first time, so it might take a little bit longer. But if we also go here and we hit scrape, it'll take a second to load as well. Did it do it? I'm not sure if it actually did it. Exciting. Wait, let's see. So, dim str URL. Oh, The reason why it didn't do it is because we need to put this up there. So now if we run it and we try it, it should work. So if we go here and we hit scrape, yeah. So this is the Minecraft website, and as you can see, Minecraft name resources favicon.icon. That is the icon for the Minecraft webpage. But yeah, we can throw in any old URL into here. So if we go YouTube, and if we hit view your channel, so let's throw my channel in here, YouTube page, and we'll save it, we'll run it, and when we hit scrape, we'll go to that URL and I'll scrape it and it'll give me everything within it. And as you can see, I can't really scroll, so now what we're going to do is we are going to add a scroll bar to it, which, if I remember correctly, we can just go in here, scroll bars, and vertical. Now if we run it, scrape, it gets the whole page that I have for my YouTube channel, all the way to the very end. So yeah, sweet, perfect. This is working. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry that the DeDucklet one didn't really work out, but yeah, so this will be like, let's code it DeDucklet 2.1 or something like that. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and always, I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddos.